Clara, his deep set eyes, they are upturned on the bottom part, but then here they slightly hooded and then this part goes down, so they pulled downwards. And I call these actually downturned eyes because if you apply an eyeliner, it's hard to make a flick and so on. And I showed you a technique how to visually lift these kind of eyes, but it was more of a night out technique because it was all dark and la la la. So now we're doing something more summer-like. I want to bring these lovely eyes forward. Therefore, I'll put blue all over because she is wearing a turquoise top, has hazelish eyes, is blonde. Therefore, Clara will look amazing with a baby blue color. I think we're not using enough color anyway, because whenever I say to the girls, can you bring some colorful tops, they need to borrow them from their mothers, like Clara did, you know. Look, this will be awesome. Very hard to find a good blue, especially if it's light blue, baby blue. So this one by Zoeva is awesome. I strongly recommend the palette as well because it's just wonderful. Tapping it on because this is how I'll be able to apply more. This is a simple makeup. Obviously, I could play in numerous different ways. For example, you can put gold at the start of the eye because the colors would match perfectly, but I decided that I'll put some more dark brown color on her lips because it will be like how do you say, midday makeup, after work makeup, not a night out. You'll see everything will start coming up together, and we'll lift the eyes now with fake eyelashes because the eye here is downturned on the top. If I put fake eyelashes on that are curved, it will lift the eye. You'll see because the eyelashes will cover this lid here. I'm using the short eyelash bunches, or how you call them, because she has blonde lashes. These show a lot. And you need to push it really in here, close, on her lashes. So you squeeze it on. Moving on to the lips. She has slightly curvy hair because she was at the hairdresser's yesterday. So I'll make these lips that are pointed. If I would want to make a really bubbly, then I would go like pow, pow and make a really big, Cupid's bow, like angled Cupid's bow. Whereas now I'll go like this. Look, I'll curve it. So curve, curve, curve here over her natural edge slightly, especially on the top, here. And then on the lower lip, we'll do like this, starting at the inner corner. So towards the inner part of her lips, and then go here down, down, down and round. And it really helps if you have your lips open because then you can make rounded lips. Look, by applying this pencil here, you'll see how it not just opens up the eye, but it lifts it so it looks more upturned. To visually lift the eye, I'll apply brown here because this will all connect color-wise. Look, brown, she has hazelish eyes. This will work like magic. I wanted to apply dark here, like a pencil or eyeliner or whatever. She has hooded eyes, so an eyeliner wouldn't work. But if I make a flick with this brown, I think this will be a good idea as well. This is soft, like it's not an intense application. But you'll see that it will visually lift the eyes. I gave her the curler because otherwise it's hard for the girls if I do it. It's a torturing device. You just need to connect them all together. So push them in. I get them all in, all in, all in. For me it really works if I'm looking myself in the nose. A tiny bit of mascara and she's done. Clara was asking me if I'm not applying mascara on lower lashes. And I do. Lots of times do, but if you really want to lift the eyes, you just do the upper ones.
She says I'm wrong, she tells me I am just a boring song.
The main idea of this makeup tutorial is that you don't need to always play with dark colors. You know, like if Clara's going out, obviously everything dark and upturned, like if you put, you know, like fake eyelashes on and all the eyeliner and things, obviously you can lift eyes like this. But for daily looks, you can play just with colors. I also think that what you see on YouTube, you know, like all these Kim Kardashian makeup tutorials and drag queen stuff, like that is easy. Because basically you just draw. If I draw lines here on her, I make like way darker eyebrows, lines here. That's easy. That's like painting a canvas, you know. But like playing like this, you really need to think. So think, do your makeup, and we'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Go check our website because there's awesome stuff waiting for you there. www.AdviseMyStyle.com, and say ciao to Clara.
Bye.
Oh.